Good evening, good morning, good everything in between, everybody. In this video, I just wanted to make a really quick tutorial on how to install the Scripter. This will be a step-by-step, short, granted, tutorial because the installation is really fast, and it will show you just how to install TAS, I guess, in a more digestible form. I'm gonna just cut to the chase. I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. Assuming you're on the GitHub page, if you don't have the GitHub page, you can just have the link right here or in the description below, of course. You will head down to the Getting Started segment, and here's another sub-segment, so to say, on how to use inside of Adobe After Effects. This is a step-by-step tutorial. It shows you everything that you need. It says on step 1, download the latest Adobe Audition release from here. You press on that and it will show you the latest releases of TAS. If you scroll down, you will see a minus Adobe Audition. Click on that and it will download it for you. Next step, extract the files using WinRAR or 7-zip. I already have it here. I'm going to extract all using the built-in features. You can use WinRAR, you can use whatever you want. And then you can follow this another step-by-step tutorial. It's just for simplicity purposes, I use this method, but eventually I'm gonna update it to have everything in the same page. Anyhow, basically it tells you to download and open the ZXP installer. You can press on it and it will show you the ZXP. I'm gonna talk a bit about ZXP right now. ZXP, UXP, and everything in between is just a standard made by Adobe for plugins, extensions, and everything in between. Basically, when it comes to signing, not triggering Windows Defender, false alarms, and everything in between, is handled with the ZXP. It can legitimize code, it can legitimize extensions, so you don't accidentally get a false extension of TAS from whatever on the internet. And yeah, this is just a way of verifying that everything is correct. You can press on download Windows. It will download the extension for you. I already have it here. You can double click it. Now, if you have some plugins or effects from iScripts, you can also install the Manager app, but I don't want to bother with it. I only want the ZXP and UXP installer. I'm gonna agree to the licenses and install it. So while it's installing, I am going to head back. It has opened, but I'm going to close it real quick just for simplicity. Wait for installation. Okay, we have got this. After navigate to the After Effects tab. So we'll look for it. Let me just close this. So we will look for the After Effects tab, which is right here. It says drag and drop the tool.zxp. Tool.zxp can be found in the extracted folder, which is here. Of course, before installing it, please read the license and the README, but you can just drag and drop it. It will give you a little notification, little dialogue in which tells you, do you want to install it? Do you want to check something? You will install it and it is done. It will show you the version, it will show you the compatibility and everything in between. Now we will head to After Effects. Normally it does not update just yet, so what we will have to do is restart After Effects before anything, just to refresh everything in IA. Let's just wait for my project to pop up. All right. And it had to window, extension, the Anime Scripter, and it has shown you, it's right in here. This is the version 1.9.1, this is already down to 9.2. So normally I already have the dependencies, but if you do, give me just a second, let's give it a restart. This is just just to show you how exactly your experience would be as a newbie, let's call it like that. So normally this is what should pop up for you. Download TAS dependencies. This TAS dependencies is actually the whole AI bit, the whole everything that you need to make this run properly. You press on yes, and it will automatically start downloading in the background while you're using your Adobe stuff like working with layers, it will do everything in the background for you. It downloads it, it extracts it, it installs it, and does everything for you automatically, so you don't have to bother with it. Future releases will be a bit even more automated. For 1.9.2, I'm planning a couple of more automations to make this updating and installation a bit more streamlined. But for now, this is the way in which you install TAS. We could go and wait for like 4 or 5 minutes for this to download and extract, but there's no point in that. It does this automatically and it's just fine. Anyhow, and that was the tutorial. That was how you install TAS. Yeah. Have a wonderful evening. Talk to you later.